Because you see, she loved to dance a lot. She'd wave her head around, do that boogie bugle sound. Perhaps that's why they called her Polka Dot. Oh, we're doing the penguin polka, 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 brother. It's no joke, ha ha ha, sliding on the ice. Woo, feels so very nice. Woo, doing the penguin polka.
Well, they have to hit the target.
There she goes.
It's my pleasure to, once again, MC our 17th annual Town of Lewisboro Fireworks Night. And we've got a full slate of events. We've already had Annie and the Natural Wonder Band. We've got a second group setting up now. And in just a few minutes after that, we got a great fireworks show coming up, sponsored by the town and its many supporters. So we're in for a great show tonight. The fireworks, again, are put on by International Fireworks out of Pennsylvania. They've been our fireworks provider, I think, throughout the 17 years that we've been doing this. They put on a great show, and everybody does enjoy coming here, and some of my friends are even saying hello as we're on camera. But the Lewisboro, Town of Lewisboro, the Parks and Rec work real hard to get this thing set up, and we are looking forward to a great show tonight.
Good evening, everybody. It's great to be at the Lewisboro Fireworks for Independence Day again. It's a magnificent Lewisboro event. I love it. It's worth every second you're here, and families come together, and it's just great fun.
Happy 4th of July. It's always fun to be here with all the families and our neighbors and friends.
Yeah, put some dogs on it. That was quick.
Okay, this is from the Ed Sullivan Show.
Happy 4th of July!
To find out, I found out. She's a big teaser. She just be half the way there. She's a big teaser. She just be half the way there now. She was a one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out. I found out.
I'm Councilman DeLucia, and I'm so excited. Here we are again, July, and another Lewisboro Fireworks Spectacular. Sadly this year, first time in 17 years, we had to cancel our Saturday date and go to our rain date, but it's a beautiful Tuesday night. The crowds are coming in behind me, and I tell you, they don't know what they have in store for them tonight. We have a phenomenal array of fireworks. Our firework company's been working so hard all day to put together one of the best shows Lewisboro has ever seen. Just want to make sure I take this opportunity to thank all of our sponsors. Without you, these fireworks would no longer go off. It's a very expensive proposition to do this, and it's so great that every year we have a lot of the same sponsors and a lot of new sponsors. These great sponsors that, donate money, donate time, donate coordinated effort to have this happen. And I can't forget our Parks and Rec committee, because after the fireworks are over, there's a big cleanup, and our committee always comes out to help, along with all of the staff, Dana Makelum and her entire Parks and Rec staff, and all of our Lewisboro employees that come out and pitch in a hand to do this. Our Parks and Rec crew work really hard during the week to have the fields all mowed, the vines out of the trees, so everybody's gonna have a beautiful view at the sky tonight. Just enjoy. Thanks again, and can't wait for the fireworks.
You're watching Lewisboro Community Television, Channel 20.